No matter where we live, on the coast or inland, the oceans are important to all of us every day.
Observed from space, our Earth is seen as predominantly blue due to the immense oceans which cover 71% of our planet's surface. Although 97% of the Earth's water is in the oceans, an incredible 95% of this vast marine world has yet to be explored. The importance of the oceans is highlighted by the United Nations declaring June 8th of each year as World Oceans Day. Supreme Master Ching Hai explained the importance of our oceans and the need to conserve this vital life-supporting system during a May 2009 video conference in Togo.
Balanced marine ecosystems are extremely important, as more than 2/3 of the planet is covered by oceans. They provide half of the world's oxygen and play a major part in regulating the global climate. So life on Earth truly depends very much on the ocean for survival. In addition, oceans also absorb atmospheric CO2, carbon dioxide, which directly helps to cool our planet. These are just a few among the great things that the oceans do. To disturb the balance of the seas, thus ultimately places our own lives in danger. So we could say that it is in our interest to care for the oceans if we want to survive, and all the life that they contain, including fish.
From the majestic blue whales to the playful dolphins, giant seaweed to colorful coral reefs, the oceans are home to nearly half of all known living species on Earth. They play an integral role in our biosphere by regulating the climate and weather.
There's a lot of current systems in the ocean. What the oceans are trying to do is simply equilibrate heat.
Quando saudáveis, quando bem preservados, protegidos, os oceanos são responsáveis por absorver até 70% de todo o gás carbônico presente na atmosfera do planeta. Normalmente a sociedade olha para os mares e vê aquela beleza muito bonita, tudo muito azul e parece que está realmente tudo muito limpo e saudável, mas a verdade é bem diferente.
The global ocean ecosystem is now under unprecedented threat. Recent research led by Dr. Boris Worm of Dalhousie University in Halifax, Nova Scotia, Canada, indicates that up to half of ocean species have disappeared due to overfishing. At the same time, environmental pollution and global warming are also causing enormous damage to ocean life, leading to large-scale coral bleaching and the rapid increase of oceanic dead zones.
A gente tem impacto do aquecimento global que está causando branqueamento de corais, a gente tem a poluição dos rios, lagos e mares feito pelas próprias pessoas e também pela quantidade de indústrias que a gente tem hoje, o que dificulta com que os oceanos consigam realizar essa função natural que eles já possuem de regulador do clima do planeta.
Carbon is both causing climate change, which is melting the ice caps, changing ocean currents, ocean temperature, which is affecting all the living creatures in the ocean, but carbon is also causing the oceans to become more acidic, and with them becoming more acidic, it means that all the animals that build shells, like crabs and oysters and coral reefs and krill, they're losing their shells, that they can't live, and that's getting worse over time.
According to a recent study by the Virginia Institute of Marine Science, USA, there were more than 400 known dead zones in coastal waters worldwide in 2008, with only 49 such zones in the 1960s.
I was raised in a fishing village in eastern Canada, so I saw the damage that was being done by the fishing industry to the oceans way back in the 60s. I think that we're looking at a very dire and serious situation. The oceans are dying in our time.
Pouco mais de 80% dos estoques comercialmente explorados, né, estão sobreexplotados, estão entrando em colapso. Alguns estoques, como por exemplo a lagosta, está em colapso há bastante tempo já. A frota aumentou de 3 a 5 vezes nas últimas décadas em algumas pescarias e os estoques pesqueiros não suportam mais esse nível de exploração.
Aside from such dangers as acidification and exploitation by humanity, marine ecosystems are at risk of being severely damaged by oil spills. Since the April 20, 2010 bursting of an offshore drilling rig near Louisiana, USA, hundreds of thousands of liters of toxic crude oil have leaked into the waters of the Gulf of Mexico. The U.S. news organization CNN reported, the resulting slick now threatens the coastal marshes of southeastern Louisiana, USA, where brown, syrupy oil made it past protected booms and into the wetlands near the mouth of the Mississippi River. With such devastating catastrophes as these, it is vital that we turn our attention to the precarious state of our oceans and undertake all measures to safeguard our marine ecosystems. Please stay tuned to Supreme Master Television. Planet Earth, our loving home, will be right back after these messages with our program on the oceans, the blue hearts of our planet.